Hi, Martin here from Bikes and Biscuits. Got my tea. Today I'm going to be fixing something on the IT175. Sorry I'm squinting, I'm looking into the sun. By the way, if you like our videos, please do like and subscribe. That's really going to help us grow the channel. We really want to grow the channel because then we can offer better content, obviously. We can spend more time on it. But today, yeah, I'm going to be fixing the fuel cap on the IT. I'm just going to spin. So, just put my tea down. So this has got a Clark aftermarket fuel tank on it. So I can't even get a standard Yamaha one, and they're known for this. You do up the cap and it just splits basically. So yeah, it's a bit ridiculous. Really bad design. I tried to glue it. I mean, yeah, terrible. No, I didn't do a good job really. I used tried Araldite, that just melted. Tried a glue gun, petrol just melts it. They're just a terrible design, unfortunately, these plastic Clark fuel caps. So because I work as a design engineer using 3D CAD, I'm gonna 3D model one. So yeah, let's go to the CAD station. Couldn't find a fuel cap for the IT, so I thought I'd model one and 3D print it. Not bad, it'll take me 25 minutes. Here I've just added my own little logo to the top, just for a bit of fun. We'll see. We then use a software called Bamboo Lab, which sets all of the 3D print settings. I've actually already done that and I've sent it to the printer. And yeah, and it's starting to print now, so here it is. You can see it taking shape. It's so cool. This printer, the Bamboo X1 Carbon, is pretty awesome. It's, for what it is, not that much money. So yeah, we'll let that print, and that's going to be about 4 hours, and I'll show you it when it's done and we'll see if it fits. I'm just checking back in on it. It's been must be about an hour and a half now. See it taking shape there. Cool. Alright, we'll come back in a bit. Alright, it's about an hour and 20 minutes later. How far has it got? Oh, it's doing the top. Getting there. You can see it does like a cross pattern. You can change what pattern it does from the infill. You'd think it would be better to build it solid, but actually it's not with these FDM printers. Better to have a slight kind of honeycomb type structure inside. You can see in the middle there it's building support structure because it can't do overhangs basically. It has to have something to build onto. It's really clever the way it does support structures. There's some here, look, discarded ones. It builds its own shapes, like this weird sort of thing. It's really crazy. Software somehow does it. I'll show you when this comes out of the oven, as it were. Alright, it's now finished. Ooh, a bit dark in there. It's stuck a bit, I have to force it off, because there's actually like cover the base in a glue stick, literally like a Pritt stick, and yeah, there it is. The inside's got the support structure, so now I'm going to go and remove that because inside there's the thread. So you can see the support structure, really weird little things like this which support the undercuts, but the way it does it is it creates like as it prints a weak bond between the bits that are supporting, so they just break away. It's very cool. So look, I just dig it out. It's quite crude, but because it's got the breakaway points, see that whole chunks come out, and you can start to see the thread. It's quite satisfying, and in a minute I'll be able to just do the final cleanup. So yeah, removing the support structure. I also use a little nail set to clean out all the little tiny bits that are left and get that thread a bit cleaner. It's not perfect, but it will do. And then there's the rubber pot that goes inside it. I'll put that in, and then it goes in nicely. We'll go and see if it fits. Right, here it is. One 3D printed fuel cap. I've put the rubber boot back in. Let's see if it fits. It absolutely does. Pulls up nicely. Nice. Pretty happy with that. Look at that. And here it is with the breather tube on. Just used a bit of hot water. Pretty hard to get it off, but the pipe I'm in. But yeah. There it is. Very happy with that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed that and the other videos. Check out our other videos that we've got on the channel, and see you in the next one.